Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start the new chapter number 7, measurement, right? So in this chapter we are going to compare the length of the object. So let's begin with this. Look at here. Here we will find out the two pencils. One is the white one, another is the black one. So we can easily find out that the white pencil is longer than the black one and the black pencil is the shorter than the white one. So this way we can compare the length of the object. Now open your textbook page number 93 where you will find out certain objects in which you have to find out the longer object and the shorter object. When we are going to compare the two objects, during that time we will find out the length of the object, which one is the longer one and which one is the shorter one. So here we will find out the two pencils, right? So these are the two pencils in which you will find out the left pencil is the shorter one and the right side pencil is the longer one. Next, these are two ladders and from this the ladder on the left side is the longer one and the ladder on the right side is the shorter one. Now next is the exercise tick the longer. जो लंबा ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको टिक करना है. So here we'll find out the two leaves in which we will find out the leaves on the right side is the long one. And these are two brooms and we can easily find out the broom on the left side is the longer one. Next, take the shorter one. Here these are two ropes and we can easily find out that the rope on the right side is the shorter one. And these are two sticks and we can easily find out that the stick on the right side is the shorter one. Now turn your page. Here on this page number 94, we will find out the new topic which is longest and shortest. Again, these two terms are used for measuring the length of the object, right? But here, the difference is that here we will compare the more than two objects. During that time, we will find out the longest object and the shortest object. So, look at here. These are the three chilies and this one, the first chili is the longest one and the last chili is the shortest one. So we can easily find out the longest and the shortest over here. Take the longest. See, this one is the longest object and this one is the shortest, but we have to take only the longest one. Now these are some cons. We have to take the longest one. The first one is the longest one. Next, take the shortest. These are some sticks and we can easily find out the middle one is the shortest stick. Now look at the next page, page number 95, taller and shorter. Look at here we will find out the two bottles, 1 and the 2. In this, we can easily find out that orange bottle is the taller one and the sanitizer bottle is the shorter one. Now, open the textbook, page number 95, where you will find out some of the object. Observe the two giraffes where this one is the taller one and this one is the shorter one. See? Here, these are two men. The man in the green shirt is the shorter one and the man in a pink shirt which is a taller one. Now next exercise is take the taller. See here you will find out the two birds, 1 and the 2. So that white bird is the taller one. So we are going to take that. Here we find out the two cows, one is the baby cow and one is the mother cow. So this mother cow is the taller one. Next, take the shorter one. Here is a dog and a little puppy. So we can easily find out that that puppy is the shorter one. These are two plants in which we will find out this plant is the shorter one. Now look at the next page, page number 96, where you will find out the another topic, tallest and the shortest. Here we are going to compare the more than two objects. Then we can easily find out the object, which one is the tallest one and which one is the shortest one. Here in this picture we will find out the three houses, in which the first house is the tallest one and the last house is the shortest one. Here the three kinds of plants, and here we will find out this is the tallest plant and this is the shortest plant. Now in the given picture we have to take the tallest one. 1, 2 and 3. That white bird is the tallest one. Now in the next picture we will find out the three clowns, right? In which the first clown is the shortest one. We have to take the shortest clown. So this is the shortest clown. Now look at the next page, page number 97. Here we have to understand the object, which one is thicker one and which one is thinner one. Thicker matlab mota, thinner matlab patla. So here the girl, and these are their chotis, right? So we can easily find out that the girl with the yellow top having thinner choti and the girl with the blue top having thicker choti. So basically we can also find out this cone of the thread is thicker one and this one is the thinner one. See, the next is the exercise. So let's begin with this. Take the thicker one. These are two brooms and we can easily find out this broom is the thicker one. And these are two trunks, so we can easily find out this trunk is the thicker one. So we are going to take that. Next is you have to take the thinner object. These are two arrows and we can easily find out that the red arrow is the thicker one. So this one is the thinner one. Two ropes, we can easily find out this one is the thinner one. So we are going to take that. Now turn your page, open the page number 98, where you will find out the thickest and the thinnest, the concept of thickest and thinnest. Now let's begin with this, in which you are going to compare the more than two objects, right? ये two से ज़्यादा object को compare करोगे, during that time you will find out the thickest and the thinnest one. So look at here, these are the three books in which this one is the thickest one and the last one is the thinnest one. Same thing, these are some paper rolls and we can easily find out the first one is the thickest one and the last one is the thinnest one. Now next, take the thickest. So here we can easily find out that the red pencil is the thickest one. So we are going to take that. Take the thinnest. सबसे पतली वाली चीज को टिक करो. So that blue brush is the thinnest one. So we are going to take that. We can easily observe this kind of things, right? So look at the next page, page number 99, where you will find out the new concept, heavier and lighter. Heavier मतलब भारी, lighter मतलब हल्का. तो दो object को देख के हमें easily समझ आता है which two things are heavier, which two things are lighter. So basically here is a pencil and here is an apple. Okay, so we can easily find out that the pencil is the lighter than the apple and the apple is the heavier than the pencil. So let's begin with this concept. Here is a pumpkin and here is a tomato. The tomato is a lighter than the pumpkin. We can easily find out. Here is an elephant and an ant. The ant is lighter than the elephant and elephant is heavier than the ant. So we are going to compare both the objects. So here is the exercise. Take the lighter one. Lighter one matlab halka. So here is a shirt and here is a lock. So basically shirt is lighter than the lock. Here is a 2 cylinders. So this cylinder is lighter than the second one. Now next is take the heavier. This is a kite and this is a string. So this one is the heavier than the kite. Here is a whale and here is a small fish. So whale is heavier than the small fish. Look at the next page, page number 100, where you will find out the next concept, heaviest and lightest. The difference is that here we are going to compare the more than two objects, right? So here is some watermelons and the first watermelon is the heaviest one and the last one is the lightest one. So here these are three objects. One is the water jug, second one is a reel of thread and third one is the small little bucket, fine. So this one is the heaviest and this one is the lightest one. So tick the lightest. यहाँ पे सबसे हल्की वाली चीज को आपको tick करना है. Here is a cupboard of books and here is a hammer and here is a cloth. So I think clothes it's a lightest one. Next, take the heaviest one. See, bucket full of water, a bottle of water and a tiffin. So I think bucket full of water is more heavier than the other two objects. Now open the workbook where you will find out chapter number 7, right? Here the exercise based on longer and shorter. We had already discussed this concept in the textbook. So let's practice with this. Observe the picture and put a tick for the longer one and cross for the shorter one in the given box. So here these are two ladders. So this one is the shorter one. So we are going to cross this and this ladder is the longer one. So we are going to tick that. Look at here. The two leaves. This one is the shorter one and this one is the longer one. So we are going to tick that. Next is two train. This train is a short one and this train is a longer one. The snake, two snake. Okay, this one is the long one and this snake is a shorter one. So this way you will complete the rest of the exercise. Try to do it yourself. It will help you to understand the concept. Now turn the page. On this page you will find out the similar exercise. The exercises continue on the next page. So you have to take this one is a longer one. This one is the shorter one. I will do the random exercise for you. These are the two instruments. Which one is longer? This one is longer and this one is shorter. See, the rest of the things you have to finish by yourself to understand the concept. Next is the longest one and the shortest one. To understand this concept, we are going to do the exercise given below. So observe the picture and put tick for the longest and cross for the shortest one in the given box. So this one is the longest chili and this one is the shortest chili. Next, this one is the longest brush and this one is the shortest brush. Longest thread and shortest thread. Look at the toothpaste. Shortest one and this longest one. See, same kind of examples are given over here. So rest of the example you will finish by yourself. Now turn your page. On the next page you will find out the exercise based on the concept of taller and shorter. See, here these are two mans. This man, what you have to do in this? Observe the picture and put the taller tick for taller and cross for shorter one in the given box. So here is a shorter one, so we are going to cross it, and that man is a taller one, so we are going to tick that in the object. Here is a two cactus. This one is the shorter one and this cactus is a longer one. Two trees, longer one, shorter one. Ladders, longer one, shorter one. Mushrooms, longer one, shorter one. See, rest of the exercise you will do it by yourself. On the next page, you will find out the concept of the tallest and the shortest. So, here is the exercise based on this concept. What is the heading? Let's observe the picture and put the tick for the tallest and cross for the shortest one in the given box. Here, these are three clowns, shortest one, tallest one. Tallest one and the shortest one, right? These are three birds. Then next, three houses, tallest one, shortest one. Street lamps, okay? So, tallest one and the shortest one. Three instruments, shortest one, tallest one. Fine? So, this way you will do the rest of the example by yourself to develop the more understanding for this concept. Now, turn your page where you will find out the concept of thicker and thinner, and on the next page you will find out the concept of thickest and thinnest. So let's begin with the exercise. Here, observe the picture and put tick for the thicker and cross for the thinner in the given box. Okay, so this one is the thicker one and this one is the thinner one. Two candles, thicker one, thinner one. This tree is the thicker one and this one is the thinner one. Okay, two arrows. You can see that this is the thinner and the thicker one, thinner one, thicker one broom. See, these are the two ropes and the two vegetables. This is a bottle gourd and the lady finger. So you can easily find out this, which one is the thicker one and which one is the thinner one. See, this is the thicker one and thinner one. See, the rest of the example you will do it by yourself to understand the concept. Next is the thickest and the thinnest. Observe the picture and put for tick for the thickest and cross for the thinnest in the given box. There are three brushes. This one is the thickest one and this one is the thinnest one. Thickest one, thinnest one book. You can easily find out the elephant is the thickest one and the goat is the thinnest one. You will do it by yourself. Now turn your page where you will find out the concept of heavier and the lighter. Okay, now look at the picture and put upside down arrow for the heavier and up arrow for the lighter in the given box. Okay, so this is the heavier one, so it will goes down. There is a down arrow and the end is the lighter, so up arrow. Down arrow and up arrow, as it is lighter than the ball and ball is heavier than the balloon. Kite is lighter than this thread and thread is heavier than the kite. So heavier hai to down arrow, up arrow. Shoes is heavier than the socks and socks is lighter than the shoes. Coin is heavier than the note and note is lighter than the coin. So here up arrow, down arrow. Down arrow, up arrow. Okay? So this is the way you will complete the rest of the exercise to develop the understanding of the concept. Next is the heaviest and the lightest. Observe the picture and put down arrow for the heaviest and up arrow for the lightest in the given box. Okay, one example has been done already. So let's begin with the next example. Here is the heaviest one. So heaviest one will goes down and the lightest one will goes up. Here, up, down, up and down. So this is it for this session. Next time we will finish this chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.